I am Sunderbala. I am the SDPO of Singjamei.
Since when you have started your rescue operation in this particular area? When you got the information, when did you get the information of water overflowing inside this?
Yeah, the breaching of water, we have got information since yesterday night, and we have done from our parts. For example, we have asked people to move out because the water has already been breached, and once the news has spread and many people have started to move out, but today also it is still continuing.
Okay. So how many have been rescued from them?
Honestly, I don't have the exact number right now, but many have been rescued, maybe around 200, 300, something like that.
Apart from that, it is also observed that even your office and your police station has been inundated with water.
Yes, that is true. Our office, that is which is in Kakwa police station, it is already been inundated, and we have been working on that since yesterday night, and our boys, our staffs, all are working very hard to move out the things and all.
In today's rescue operation, who are the teams who has been assisting and supporting you?
The teams are like includes SDRF, fire brigades, and then locals, the Manipur police. Yeah, all those things, like everybody.